Hi guys, as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be talking about a sustainable fashion brand that I visited to recently, probably a month or so ago. And I was able to record some clips there as well, and towards the end of the video, I'll show you, or like I'll give you a review of how I felt the products were too. Before I get started on showing you the vlog portion of this video, I wanted to set a little bit of context. So as you know, I'm someone who's extremely dedicated and passionate about sustainable living. And sustainable fashion is one such, one branch that I'm really interested and invested in. So while selecting a shop, I wanted it to tick three boxes. The first was that it obviously had to be a sustainable fashion brand. Second, that it has to be based out of Chennai, meaning that the shop's headquarters is based in Chennai and the artisans are all locals, and so the money that I'm spending should go to a local economy and helping the local economy and local artisans. And the third thing was that it should be affordable. I know that sustainable fashion has the stigma of being extremely expensive. In some cases, it's not a stigma, it's true. Like, all stigma is born out of some facts. And there are some sustainable fashion brands which are extremely high priced. And I did not want to opt for that because that's not really what I'm looking for. I'm trying to make sustainable fashion and sustainable living my normal, not something that I do once in a while. So I wanted it to be a affordable brand. So I did find one shop that fit all the boxes, and that was Tula India. Tula India is based in Tiruvanmayur, Chennai, and they've been really kind enough to help me vlog there and gave me a little bit of context of how they started and what they do, which you'll see along in the vlog portion of it. Hi guys, this is my friend Keertana.
Hello, hi.
So we're going to go to Tula, which is a sustainable fashion brand placed in Chennai. We'll see you there. So we headed out, and it was around a 40-minute drive from where we stay. Once we reached the place, it was actually quite accessible and a really quaint house which is turned into a storefront. And it's on a relatively empty street, so there was good parking. It's inside a house, like I said, and we had to kind of go up to reach the clothing area. In the ground floor, there were organic fruits and vegetables which were sold. So here you can see the different types of clothes that they have. They pretty much have it kept in all racks. And they even have clothes for kids and adults, and they even had face masks, very 2020-ish of them. So these are some fabrics. You can even just get the material and get it stitched if you like. I'm zooming in here to show you guys the quality of it. It's actually really, really good. And outside they have this display of all the types of different clothes that they have, the models. They have different colors as well, but this is just to give an idea of all the models that they have. They have very cute bags too, I must say. Here are the racks of all the different types of models of clothes that they have. This is one.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
They have like
Look at this. They have like long colors.
solid colors, different patterns, all hand-woven. All these lovely lines. The raw material is used. All kinds of color purple. Sure today.
That's for sure your collection.
So this is to match my hats. And purple.
And there's one lone yellow there.
Yeah.
One yellow guy. Really, we would never know.
So let's try all this.
And pick this one out. It's pink with checks. That's a little bit school girly, but I think I like it. And the other one is this blue salwar, which I think I pretty much end up using as a dress. This short kurta, which I think will be very comfortable. This is my stuff here. Yeah,
That's cool.
they've listed their objectives, their sustainability objectives on the front door, and it's really nice that they've taken the effort to be very transparent about what they want to achieve. They even have little informational booklets that you can get, or gift cards if you would like to gift them to your family and friends. So I got 2 clothes from there. We got our stuff and they gave us paper bags, which I really love. And these are the 2 things that I got. One was a dress and the other a salwar, and I tried them on and they were really good. Getting back to the review portion of this video, it's been a month now since I got the clothes, and therefore I've been able to try them on multiple times, and I actually really like the product. I'm not just saying this for the sake of the video. It's not a sponsored video, and even if it was a sponsored video, I wouldn't talk about things that I didn't truly believe in, or sponsor products that I don't really feel are really eco-friendly or sustainable. So the clothing that I got 2 of them, as you saw. One was a salwar top and the other was a dress, which you can wear with leggings as well and kind of make it into a salwar, I guess. But yeah, both of them were really good, and I like that they have a versatile design which can kind of suit all age groups, like people who work, or teenage girls, or even people who are like in college, and they kind of have different styles. One thing that I really liked is that the organic dye does not go off. In some cases, I've had experiences before with sustainable brands where they do use organic dyes, but it kind of fades off immediately after the first use. But that was not the case with the Tula fabrics that I got. One thing that is a bit difficult, I wouldn't say, a little more of a constraint, I guess, is that you have to hand wash it in cold water, which technically speaking is not much of a difficulty. It's just that you can't really shove it into a washing machine and call it ready. But it's really worth it for the amount of effort that they've taken. The artisans have done a really good job. There are no threads that come out, or there's nothing negative about it. In fact, I really liked wearing it, and I wore it, I think, for multiple occasions. And a lot of people even asked me about it because it has a different vibe than what you would get from a fast fashion company. It gives you a little bit of a, I don't know how to say it, but it does make you feel and look different. And I think I really like the fact that their dyes, even though it's true with organic dyes, you can't get a very intense or too much of a varying shade, but the colors that they do have, it goes along with my vibe. I really like pastel colors and small designs and nothing too flashy. And if you're into that, I think you should really check out Tula as well. And they support local artisans, and it's all very environmentally friendly, and they have a lot of knowledge and resource into what they do. They're very seasoned, and even the employees there are extremely invested, and they believe in the cause, which I think personally I find very heartwarming. I don't like it when you have a very impersonal shopping experience. Here they were all invested and they wanted to help us, they wanted to educate us, and it's not just for women. I want to mention that right here. I got clothes that obviously that I would wear, but there are really good clothes for guys as well. And if you are working or if you have some parties to attend, you can try it once in a while. I do believe in their website. I'll leave the link to their website as well. They have their catalog, so you can take a look at the clothes and see if they match your vibe. And I would, if you live in Chennai, I say please do go and check it out. It's in Thiruvanmiyur, near the beach, so it's really a nice trip to go as well. So yeah, before I close off, I would like to thank Tula for letting me film there and for letting me share a little bit of their journey. And thank you for all of you who are watching, and I do hope that through my videos, in some way or the other, you feel like leading a sustainable and eco-friendly life is not something that's too difficult. Third, I would like to thank my friend Keetna for coming along with me, and yeah, I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.